We talk football SA in Pretoria. Mamelodi Sundowns 1. AS FAR 0. Cape Champions League final. Football is a game of opinion. Uthini umbono wakho mntakababa? Igama qala.
Igama lami Oskito. Sundowns itlange kahle ngopfu. Mara va tidyondzisa ku tirhisa ti-chances. Yeah, they must use their chances. Why? Because when they are going away, it's going to be difficult at Morocco. So next time, va tidyondzisa ku tirhisa ti-chances ta vona, va ta wina game kahle. And then next time, loko hi ta va supporta. Ni mbale xidloko xa Sundowns. Yeah, a hi ta languta va minyela. We are supporting team here in South Africa. But they are 57. Pagania is Sundowns. And then they are 57. But they are still complaining. Support. Yeah. But League, there is nothing. They said they are working from home. No. League, our coach and I, our rival, Sheri.
Thank you, my brother. Who was the man of the match?
Mukwena. Yeah. The midfield who best in South Africa. Yeah. Kabuyelo, Pagamisi 7.
That kind of good.
Yeah, I can say go.